What's up, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2016 Dodge Journey. So we can go on a journey, of course. No, I'm just playing. So basically you want to come over to the passenger side, open up the glove box. If you still got your owner's manual, I'll take the owner's manual out just to get everything out of there. So first step is, you see that right there? What I like to do is just get my finger between there and just push that in. And that's all you got to do on that side, and as well on this side. So I like to get that pulled down a little and pull that, and once you do that, it slides right on out of there. And it's still hooked to this little string right here, which is awesome, so you don't have to, let it drop or have it hanging. And then this is the cabin filter cover right here. So you got one on this side, you just push that, pull out. Same thing on this other side, push that and pull out. Your pull out game should always be strong. Just pull out, boys. And then just pull this out. Honestly, this isn't even all that bad, but you're gonna insert it the same way you pull out, and you want the arrow pointed down because the airflow is coming in through the cabin and going down. So you want airflow down. Is this the same size? What's going on here? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. It's honestly a little bigger. Napa, let's see. Oh, well, it's actually recessed, so that's actually fine. So you can put this and clip that on. Clip that on. There you go. So that's clipped in place, and that's clipped in place. So basically all you got to do is just lift this up, and you see it has a little slant, so you can just push that in just like that, and there you go. And that's how you successfully install a cabin filter in a Dodge Journey. If I helped you guys out, go ahead and give me a like, and thanks for watching the video.